Just about 22 days ago, this guy uploaded his very first video, and it got 1.8 million views. After that, one of his videos hit 5 million views. And get this, he's only uploaded 11 videos total. This channel was created just 22 days ago. With only 11 videos, this guy has already gained 100,000 subscribers. Now here's what makes this channel so unique. The guy created his own cartoon character, a swamp deer. Through this animated character, he explains what might happen if, God forbid, there's a nuclear war and the world is destroyed. He shows people how to survive, how to restart life, and how to recreate basic technologies from scratch. For example, the swamp deer explains how to make gunpowder from natural resources, how to create gasoline and petrol, how to make batteries, how to build a radio, how to make a compass, and much more. In short, he teaches how to recreate technology from natural things if modern tools are wiped out. And he does this in short, engaging videos. Because of this, his channel has exploded in growth. 100K subscribers in just 20 days, monetization unlocked, and millions of views. And I made this video in even better quality just to teach you guys.
If the world is dead, how to make clean drinking water, the rivers smell like battery acid, and your thirst is screaming louder than the mutants outside. The cities are silent. The taps coughed their last drop weeks ago. The rain glows like a rave you didn't ask for. You've got two options: shrivel into a human raisin, or make water the way the cock.
The videos are narrated in a very unique, dramatic, and creative way. This is a brilliant idea, interesting, engaging, and very different. And the best part is, you can make videos just like this using only your mobile phone. If you want millions of views, watch carefully. But first, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to support me and increase your knowledge. And if you learned something new from this video, give it a like as well. Alright, let's move on. To make videos like this, we first need a cartoon character. That guy used swamp deer, but we can use any animal, a monkey, a gorilla, whatever we like. I'll show you 3 ways to create your own character. Method 1. Go to Google and type cartoon monkey sticker PNG. You'll see plenty of free characters. Same with gorilla. You can pick one and use it. Method 2. Go to freepik.com and search for cartoon monkey or cartoon gorilla. You'll find hundreds of different character designs to choose from. Method 3. The best method. Create your own unique character with AI. In the description of my video, I've provided a ready-made character prompt. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and wherever it says animal, write the animal you want, like gorilla. Replace it in both spots in the prompt. Once you run it, ChatGPT will generate a full image prompt for you. Copy that prompt and paste it into piclumen.com. Select the 9:16 ratio and click generate, and boom, your character is ready. Next, remove the background. Go to Google, search remove BG, upload your character, and download the transparent PNG. Now for video ideas. The guy's whole concept is based on survival after the end of the world, how humans can meet their basic needs using only natural resources. You don't need to struggle for ideas. I've prepared a ready-made ideas prompt in the description. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get 15 video ideas. Titles like how to purify water naturally after the end of the world, how to make salt from scratch, how to build a charcoal water filter, how to make soap with natural ingredients, how to build a solar still, how to produce iron from raw ore, how to build a rocket stove. That's 15 strong video ideas right there. And if you want more, just ask ChatGPT for another 15. Now, once you pick a title, you'll need a full script. Don't worry, I've provided a script prompt in the description too. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, enter your chosen title, and it will generate a complete 1.5 to 2 minute short video script for you. Read through it, make small edits if needed, and you're ready to go. Next step, voiceover. Take your script and paste it into any free TTS or text-to-speech website. Options include TTS Maker, Clipchamp, 11 Labs, and more. Remove any extra formatting from your script, select an English voice, type in the CAPTCHA, and generate your voiceover. Download the audio file. Now we need images for the video, not ordinary ones, but of your chosen cartoon character in different poses. That's the tricky part, but don't worry, I've got you covered. In the description, I've added another image prompt. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, add your animal name, like gorilla. At the bottom, paste your full script. ChatGPT will then generate 3 sets of prompts for you. Character prompts to show your cartoon character in different poses. Object prompts for survival tools and items like materials for water purification. Environment prompts for post-apocalyptic backgrounds, ruined cities, destroyed buildings. Now, let's use them. First, generate your character poses. Copy one prompt, paste it into piclumen.com. Upload your character as the reference image, set strength to full, choose 9:16 ratio, and click Generate. Boom! Your character appears in a new pose with a white background. Repeat this process for all your character prompts. Second, generate your objects. Copy the object prompts, paste into piclumen.com. But this time, delete your reference image so it only generates the objects. These will be the survival items your character shows. Third, generate your environments. Paste the environment prompts into piclumen.com, and you'll get ruined cityscapes, destroyed buildings, and apocalyptic backgrounds. Now remove the backgrounds from your characters and objects with Remove BG, so you can overlay them easily. Finally, we edit. Open CapCut, add your voiceover to the timeline, import a white background image and stretch it across the video, then start layering. First, place your environment background. Next, add your character PNG on top. Adjust size and position. Add animations, in, out, or combo to make it dynamic. Sync additional poses of your character to match the script. Add your objects like water filters, ropes, soap, etc. where needed. Insert different environment images for scene variety. Now, after syncing everything with the voiceover, add auto captions. CapCut can generate them automatically. Choose a preset style, position the subtitles, and make them clean and readable. Finally, add background music, lower the volume so it doesn't overpower the narration, and add transitions and effects. You can even use old film or survival-style filters to match the theme. Export your video in the highest resolution, and you're done. This is a unique and powerful idea. If you put in the effort and stay consistent, inshallah, you can achieve success just like that guy did.
If the world is dead, how to make clean drinking water. The rivers smell like battery acid, and your thirst is screaming louder than the mutants outside. The cities are silent. The taps coughed their last drop weeks ago. The rain glows like a rave you didn't ask for. You've got 2 options. Shrivel into a human raisin, or make water the way the cockroaches probably will when they inherit this place. Start with a busted metal pot. Bonus points if it looks like it's been through a war. Fill it with the least disgusting puddle you can find. Throw it on a fire made from broken furniture and the remains of your neighbor's optimism. Next, balance a cleanish metal lid upside down over the pot. Yeah, upside down. Put a cup under the drip zone. Something that was a cup before the world ended. As the foul brew boils, steam rises, smacks into the cold lid, and drips down into your waiting salvation. If you've got a plastic sheet instead, rig it over a hole with a cup in the middle. Sun cooks the ground moisture. It condenses, it drips. Slow torture, but it works. So what lands in your cup is just H2O. Drink it. Smile. You're alive. For now.